How does wage garnishment enforce child support? Imagine trying to make sure your child gets the support they need without having to chase after payments each month. That's where wage garnishment comes into play. It's a tool used to make sure child support payments are made on time and regularly. When a court orders wage garnishment, it means the non-custodial parent's employer is legally required to withhold a certain amount of money from their paycheck. This amount is then sent directly to the child support agency or the custodial parent. This process helps avoid missed payments and keeps support consistent. Once a court or child support agency issues a garnishment order, the employer receives a notice instructing them to deduct the specified amount from each paycheck. The amount can include ongoing support and any past due payments, called arrears. The employer then forwards this money to the right place, usually within a few days after each pay period. This automatic process makes sure the child support obligation is met without relying solely on the parent's memory or willingness to pay. However, mistakes can happen. One common mistake is not updating the employer when the paying parent changes jobs. If they don't tell the child support agency about the new employer, the garnishment might not be applied, leading to missed payments. Another mistake is assuming garnishment starts immediately. There can be a delay of a few weeks for the employer to process the order, so the parent might need to make payments out of pocket during that time. Parents should also be aware that, if their financial situation changes, they need to ask the court for a modification. Payments can't be reduced retroactively, so failing to do this can cause debts to pile up. Employers are legally required to follow garnishment orders, but errors or delays can still occur. It's wise for parents to check that payments are being withheld and sent properly. It's also important to understand the limits on how much can be garnished from wages. Federal and state laws set maximum amounts to protect the employee's ability to cover living expenses. If garnishment exceeds these limits, the parent can challenge it legally. Lastly, open communication with the child support agency is key. Both parents should stay in touch to confirm payments are processed correctly and to resolve any issues quickly. Wage garnishment is a dependable way to enforce child support because it reduces missed payments and helps children receive consistent financial support. Staying informed, updating employment details, and seeking legal advice when needed can make the process smoother and more effective.